makes you lose your mind in the bar. In the bar. In the bar. In the bar. It's a red wine that makes you lose your mind in the old Red Dog Saloon. When you toast champagne, sex is on her brain in the bar. In the bar. In the bar. When you drink champagne, sex is on her brain in the old Red Dog Saloon. That's pretty damn good for this bunch. I got some more. Want to hear some more? Yeah! Are you with me? Yeah! It's the taste of rum that makes her want to...
I'm trying to record. Fuck, get out of the way.
It's just getting hot there for a minute. Okay. It's the taste of rum that makes you feel so dumb in the bar.
In the bar.
In the bar.
In the bar.
It's the taste of rum that makes you feel so dumb in the old saloon. It's Alaskan beer that makes you want to cheer in the bar.
In the bar.
In the bar.
In the bar.
It's Alaskan beer that makes you want to cheer in the old Red Dog Saloon. Yeah, the way she drinks cold cup, she really wants it. Oh, after she drinks cold cup, it really costs $1 in the bar. In the bar. When she drinks cold cup, I really cleaned it up in the old Red Dog Saloon. All right, we got more. You want more? There's enough with this college dinner. It's the Red Dog booze that gets you through your cruise in the bar. In the bar. In the bar. In the bar. It's that Red Dog booze that gets you through your cruise in the old Red Dog Saloon.
Thank you.
When she slams those shooters, she wants to show her hooters in the bar. In the bar. She slams those shooters, she wants to show her hooters in the old Red Dog Saloon. And when the men drink Guinness stout, they want to whip it out in the bar. In the bar. And Guinness stout, they want to whip it out in the old Red Dog Saloon. When you slammed up farts, those zippers come apart in the bar.